Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if voice dictation is not working on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to settings and here you're going to click on general. Then you're going to scroll down and click on keyboard. Over here, you're going to scroll down till you find the option of enable dictation. So you're going to make sure that this is toggled on. If it is toggled on and still not working, then you can simply toggle it off and then toggle it on after a few seconds, and then your dictation will work. To check that, you can simply open any application, and here you'll be able to see this microphone icon and simply test it. And if that doesn't work as well, then you can go to settings back. Go back to the main settings menu, scroll down, and you're going to click on privacy and security. Over here, scroll down till you find the option of microphone. So simply click on microphone over here and make sure that microphone access is enabled for your apps. Also, restart your iPhone once because temporary glitches can stop dictation from working, and make sure that you have an active internet connection because dictation needs Wi-Fi or mobile data to work properly. Finally, update your iPhone by going to settings if it doesn't work. So you can simply go to general and make sure that you're updated to the latest version of iOS. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.